Hi guys, I'm here with another question number 11 related to RHCE exam 294 version 9. Replace file slash etc slash issue on all managed node. First part is saying in DevOps group slash etc slash host should have content development, and in the test group slash etc slash issue should have content test, and in the prod group content should be production, and the playbook name should be issue.yml, and it should run on all the many nodes. So let's go to our machine. I want to show you that how I have written this playbook. So guys, we have to run this playbook on all the many nodes. So slash host and put all here and task, and then first task is name, update the contents of the dev host group, copy content is development, and destination is slash s slash issue. And we have to run this, so that is why we have to put this condition here. When inventory underscore host name in groups scare bracket, then in single quotes dev, then second task is update the contents on test host group. Same way, module name is copy content test, and destination is slash sc slash issue. And when this is the condition, and in this case it was dev and here it is test. And third task is on production host group, so you have to put content production, and destination is slash sc slash issue. And here in this condition you will put host name group prod. Okay, so after writing this, just save this file and then run it. So we have to run on these host group, because we have put the content here. We only want to see content here in this file. Sorry, I have already removed it. First of all, we have to run this, and then I'll show you the contents. Just gathering facts. It's taking time. Yeah. Okay, it's done. Let's check if we have. Okay, let's get this file. I'm just gonna clear it so that you could see it easily. Okay, see, on this node contents are here: test and production, production. Because on prod we have these two, under prod we have these two nodes, node 3 and node 4. So on dev group we have only one machine, so development. So this is how you have to solve this question. It's all for this question, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of the newer stuff. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.